how to turn off your Android phone in 2 different ways. This tutorial shows you how to power off your device using 2 quick methods on your Android device. First, the most common way to turn off your phone is by pressing and holding the power button on the side of your device until the power menu appears on your screen. After that, tap on Power Off from the menu options. From there, tap Power Off again on the confirmation prompt, and your device will shut down completely. At this point, the second method is through the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open it. In the next step, swipe down again to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. Following this, look for the power icon at the bottom of the Quick Settings panel and tap on it. Finally, tap Power Off from the menu that appears, and your device will shut down just like the first method. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you turn off your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.